Victory.
I think people of Tripura are very intelligent. They know what is right, what is wrong for them.
And how is the overall situation as of now? Okay.
Let's see, I'm getting reports from everywhere. I'll comment about it once I get the entire scenario in hand.
Till now it's peaceful.
No, in certain places there are certain problems. EVM, certain places, certain people are. So we are getting reports from everywhere. But I don't want to say something in front of the media and jump the gun. Let me get the entire report, then I will make a proper statement.